Here's another quick QuickBooks tip. I call it shift click and batch action. Hang on with me. I know it sounds weird. I guarantee you'll love it. The best place to use a shift click and batch action sequence will be in banking or in bank feeds. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the transactions tab on the left navigation bar and then click on banking. This will take me to the list of transactions that have been downloaded from a bank or a credit card. For example, let's say we have all these transactions downloaded from this credit card, and I want to group these by name or by description. And then as I go through them, I can take a look at any group of transactions that all happen to be, for example, from the same vendor or the same payee. And I want to classify them all in one shot, but I don't want to click on each of the transactions one by one. So what we do is something called shift click, where we click on the very first one once, then we hold the shift key in our keyboard, and then we click on the very last one, and then they all get checked in one shot. And I can actually go through these and select all the transactions in which then we might have things in common and continue to select transactions and shift click through those groups. Basically, shift click will select every single checkbox under the very last thing that you click. So now that I've done click and shift click through a couple of transactions, I can simply just click on update and maybe classify them all to the same thing. So let's put these under personal expenses or owner's distribution or whatever, and then click on apply confirm. So this is one way you can use shift click to take batch actions. Let's take a look at shift click in other places. So for example, I'm going to click on the expenses tab on the left hand side and then click on expenses. So in this screen, I can actually take a look at all the expenses that I have spent, and I can also group these by payee or group these by whatever I want. So I'm going to click on category and group them by category, and then I'm going to scroll down and notice that all these things are under let's say auto expenses. Let's say that I classified them wrong and I want to put them somewhere else. So I'm going to click on the very first one, and then I'm going to scroll down to the last one in my list, which happens to be, let's just say, happens to be this one that we're seeing here. I'm going to hold the shift button in my keyboard and click on that transaction, and notice they were all selected in batch. In this particular screen, there's a batch actions button that I can click on category I selected, and then let's quickly recategorize these as whatever the correct category is. Let's assume it's dues and subscriptions. Click on apply, and then I shift clicked to select a bunch of transactions, and then I took action. Let's do one more. Let's click on sales, and let's click on all sales. And let's go ahead and click on all open invoices. So we're seeing in front of us all the open invoices. Let's say that I want to send reminders to everyone that owes me more than $10,000. So I'm going to click on balance, organize this by balance, and click on it one more time to make it descending. And then click on the very first one that's under 10,000, hold the shift key, go all the way down to the very last one that falls into that category. Click on that box, all transactions get selected. Click on batch actions, and then click on send reminders. And like magic, every single one of the customer gets reminded that they owe me money from that invoice. You will see a shift click opportunity in many places inside QuickBooks Online. It's not everywhere, but everywhere that you can use it, take advantage of it, and that will make you instantly more effective. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I create a new video like this. Thanks.